thinking about the challenge we faced with this hybrid event, having two groups of audience, the online and the on-site participant, our biggest challenge was to avoid any gap between those two groups. And I think one of the highlights were actually the results from the surveys afterwards, saying that we succeeded, but completely, like as a high level, which was insane. And as you said, it was a remarkable hybrid event, which still is spoken about within the company, right?
Firstly, for a hybrid event, you'd normally expect the virtual to be like secondary, the orphan of the actual event. But in reality, our virtual participants gave a higher feedback score than in the previous year where it was only virtual. So we somehow made it better, even though it was hybrid. The second highlight for me was quite simply we had a massive symphony orchestra hidden behind a 14-meter LED screen, and in 7 seconds we were able to move it so that there was a surprise orchestra for the audience, and that was pretty remarkable. People still talk about that.
Eine hybride Veranstaltung, die in 21 verschiedenen Zeitzonen live übertragen worden ist und die Aufgabe, einen Wow-Moment in der Eröffnungszeremonie zu kreieren. Das ist ihnen definitiv gelungen, wo die Mitarbeiterband von Novo Nordisk gespielt hat und sich plötzlich eine riesige LED-Wand in Bewegung gesetzt hat und Sicht auf ein 50-köpfiges Orchester freigegeben hat, das dann die Mitarbeiterband unterstützt hat. Gratulation an Habecker für die perfekte Inszenierung. Das hat ein Xaver verdient.